Hi everyone, Jen Wallace here. Wanted to record a video for you on Magick and talk to you a little bit about what the program is, how it's helpful for you, and how to set it up for your business. So first and foremost, Magick is a tracking software. What it does is it allows us to figure out who is actually clicking on our links, whether they are engaged, whether they're converting into sales, etc. So with a little bit of work on the front end, it will give you a lot of valuable information for your business. So you can tweak and optimize along the way. So if you find that you have a landing page, you think that it's going to convert really well, and then you're seeing lots of visitors coming, but they simply aren't taking any action, then you need to tweak that capture page accordingly. So right here, I'm on Magick's main page. There are a few different pricing options. I'll leave that to you to look up. If you have any questions, you can always message me and I'd be happy to discuss any of that with you. But let's jump right over to Magick. So here's the home page. What you're going to do is two things. First and foremost, you're going to go to Tools and Domain Manager. So the way this works is, think of it like a jigsaw puzzle. There's the front end, which is setting it up with your domains. So it doesn't matter whether you have 1 or 20 domains. You set up each domain separately here, and then you are going to enter your links separately, and then you can plug and play. So you can plug one link to one domain, and then you can set up the same link with another domain, and it just saves a lot of time. And also, again, as I said before, is the information that it gives you is going to be invaluable. So what you would first have to do is, through your domain provider, you're going to set up the domain with a CNAME redirect and an @name redirect. And once you've done that, then the next step is going to be to come here and you're going to enter what that domain is. So here I'm going to type in www.workwithcoachjen.com. That was a domain that I set up, and I'm going to click Add Custom Domain. You'll notice down here it says Domain added successfully. So now, whenever anybody clicks on www.workwithcoachjen.com, they will be redirected. And here, I'm also going to do workwithcoachjen.com. So if they enter that website, they will be able to be redirected accordingly. Again, we have this domain added successfully, and if we scroll down, we should be able to see both of those. So here we go, workwithcoachjen.com. That was added as a CNAME with redirect. And down here, www.workwithcoachjen.com is added. So now step 1 is done. We've now got our domain set up, and now we can go and work on our links. So now, if you click on the top corner here, top left side here where it says links, you can go and create a new link. So here's where you're going to go, and you are going to grab your link. So I'm just going to jump over to ClickFunnels here for a minute, and I'm going to take a video here that I want to embed. I'm going to go back to my Magick account, and here in the primary URL, I'm going to paste that link. Alright, so here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in what the link name is. So my link name, this is my intro video. I'm just going to put test, and here, the tracking link, I'm going to select the domain that I want it to go with. So we just set up workwithcoachjen.com, so I'm going to set that up, and my link here, I'm going to put at the end, this is going to be what's going to appear in the web address, or that the user is going to type in after the email address. So you don't want it to be too long, but you want it to be something that's going to identify with the link. So once I've done that, then I simply create the link. Alright. Here, it's got, sorry, that tracking link is already in place, in use. Go back. So that's fine. All that simply means is that I have already utilized that, that ending. So I'm going to put intro test. And I'll create the link. And once I've done that, then I will be able to see that link here. So I've got intro video test. And you'll notice that there are zeros across the board here. If I click on there, then it's got my tracking link. So this is going to be the link that I am going to post on my social media, or I'm going to put in my email campaign, or share with somebody who wants the information. So I will go ahead and I will copy that, and if I open up a new page here and I type that in, then it will take me right to this page, okay, which is my intro video, which is what I wanted. So now let's say that I want that same video to be utilized, but I want it to be utilized on one of my other domains. It's very easy to change, because all I'm going to do, I've already got the link. This link does not change. The only thing that I want to do is I want to change the domain. So now I can simply go in here and I can pick any of the other domains that I've got. And if I go down here, I'm just going to save that change. Once that saves, then I will go. Right now you can see here that the tracking has been updated. So instead of showing zeros across the board, it now shows 1. And what that means is it's got 1 total click and 1 unique click. There's nothing else here. If you want to know what each of these mean, if you just simply hover your mouse over it, it will tell you. So this is total clicks, unique clicks, and so on and so forth. You can go ahead and play with that at your leisure. But going back to this link, if I click on this again, then now instead of it saying the workwithcoachjen.com site or domain name, it's now going to show the updated one. So now if I go and I copy this link and I paste it, I can now use that link and it will direct the person to this exact same video. The difference being is this time it's coming from my inspiredabundancemom.com web address, whereas before it was coming from my Work with Coach Jen web address. So once you actually set up the domain, you can redirect that link to any one of the domains. And similarly, once you've got the link set up, you can add that to any of the domains that you have set up. So that's the power, that's the leverage that this software, or not software, this program will offer you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I hope this has been helpful. And if there are any other tutorials you're looking for with regards to Magick or anything else, please feel free to reach out to me on Facebook, and I would be more than happy to record a video to help out. Thank you, have a wonderful day, and I look forward to talking with you again. Thank you.